Hi everybody! It's me, Kuya Wiljay. Medyo matagal-tagal na rin mula nung last video natin. Namiss ko kayo, pasensya na at natagalan mag-post ulit. May mga ginawa lang, may mga pinagkabalaan lang, kaya ito, nagbabalik ang inyong Kuya Wiljay. So today, magluluto tayo ng chicken sisig or sizzling chicken sisig using yung leftover chicken namin the other day na courtesy of Rod and Jen. So susubukan natin magluto ng sisig gamit lang yung mga ingredients na available sa aming pantry. So let's start! So ito yung mga ingredients natin na kailangan para magluto ng sizzling chicken sisig. So ito yung leftover chicken namin nung isang araw. Kailangan natin ng, of course, brown onion. Since we don't have the fresh chicken liver, I'm going to try to use the liver spread in can, courtesy of Pure Foods. Baka naman Pure Foods. And then ayan, oil, salt para to taste, butter and egg, mayonnaise. Syempre hindi masarap ang sisig kung walang mayonnaise. And then nor seasoning. Yan, tawag namin dyan nung bata kami is taw-taw. Ito yung soy sauce and pepper to taste. So yan. So first step ko gagawin tong crispy chicken sisig. Nakuha ko to sa recipe sa isang YouTube video sa Panglasang Pinoy. So thank you Panglasang Pinoy sa mga recipes mo. Pinagkaiba lang, mag-a-add ako ng ginger. So first of all, of course, we need to wash our hands with soap and water. Guys, this is very important, especially nowadays. Maraming virus, maraming bacteria. It is always important to wash your hands before, especially handling foods or preparing foods. Okay, so let's start. Let's start with the brown onion. Yun, then now yung ginger natin. So next naman itong chicken. Usually kapag meron kaming leftover chicken from yung roast chicken, ginagawa namin dito yung mga yung lechon paksiw na naituro sa akin ng aking mahal na piyanan, si Papa Eduardo. Ayan, so pero ngayon dahil nag-crave si Mrs. ng sisig, so today instead of lechon paksiw na chicken, I will try to cook it to make a sisig out of the roast chicken. So yung leftover, so kung sa bahay meron kayong leftover chickens like yung mga fried yung mga fried chicken ninyo, yung meron kayong mga andoks or baliwag or chooks to go na chicken sa Pilipinas, yan the best yan. Siguro ito pwedeng isang way para magkaroon pa ng isa pang dish o panibagong buhay yung ulam natin. Siyempre, minsan nakakasawa din, di ba, kung puro na lang tayo roast chicken. So, yun, try to be creative. So, So guys, na-prepare ko na yung onion, ginger, and na-dice ko na rin po yung leftover chicken, roasted chicken. So magluto tayo ngayon ngayon susutin na natin yung mga kailangan natin. Okay guys? So turn on ko lang yung aking stove. Okay, I'm gonna use 8. But since wala naman akong so I'm going to use the liver spread. Hi guys! So, I just called my wife. Sabi niya medyo may late siyang umuwi. Siguro mga another half an hour pa. So, while waiting for her, naisip ko magluto mo since nag-upcycling tayo ng pagkain ngayon. O, upcycling. New word. Big word. So, upcycling means you are turning a dish into another kind of dish, which is yun nga, 'di ba, yung roast chicken ginawa natin siyang sizzling sisig. So now, since marami kaming leftover na rice, so gagawin ko is I'm going to cook a garlic fried rice. Well, it's very common, it's very easy. What you need is just oil, garlic, and yung mga leftover rice nyo. So guys, yan, tapos natin gawin yung chicken, yung unang sisigaw tayo ng sizzling chicken sisig. So we are going to make it, sizzling using the pan, the non-stick pan. So yun na po guys, yung ating final product ng ating upcycled food for today, which is the Sizzling Sisig, the Sizzling chicken sisig. So it's perfect para sa ating fried rice. Yan guys, ang ating final product, ang sisig and the fried rice. So it's a chicken sizzling chicken sisig. So that's it guys. I hope you guys like the cooking session with Kuya Wiljay. So if you are new, so please like this video, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell or the button. See you guys. Bye.